Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how to make Red Bean Nian Gao, which is a deliciously sweet and chewy Chinese rice cake dessert, kind of similar to mochi. Typically this dessert is steamed, but today I'll be showing you guys a quicker and easier baked version. Usually Nian Gao is consumed all year round, but is extremely popular during the Chinese New Year because Nian Gao directly translates to year cake and is a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and growth. This dessert is extremely easy to make, customizable, and only uses a few ingredients, most of which you should already have in your pantry. The only 6 ingredients you'll be needing are glutinous rice flour, sugar, vegetable oil, eggs, coconut milk, other milk alternatives work too, and red bean paste. Red bean paste can be omitted or substituted as well. We're going to start off by preheating the oven to 350 degrees so the oven heats up while we prepare everything else. Then we're going to add 2 cups of glutinous rice flour to a large mixing bowl, along with 1 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 can of coconut milk, which is about 13.5 ounces, and 3 eggs. Now we're just going to mix everything together until smooth. Next, we're going to add in 1/2 cup to 1 cup of red bean paste and then mix together until the red bean is fully incorporated. The last step is to pour the mixture into the baking pan. The one I'm using is 9 by 13 and then bake for about 45 minutes. Baking time can range and depends on the dimensions of the pan you're using. You'll know when it's done once it has a nice light golden top and the knife comes out clean when you run it through the middle. Now all we have to do is cut it up into shareable sizes and enjoy. See, I told you it was easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoy this baking tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!